Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Sling TV on TV step by step clearly. To activate Sling TV on your TV, start by turning on your television. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet. If you haven't already, download the Sling TV app on your smart TV or streaming device. Once the app is installed, open it. You will see a welcome screen with a prompt to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, select the Sign In option. Enter your email address and password associated with your Sling TV account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by selecting the option to sign up. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your details and choose a subscription plan. After signing in, check for an activation code displayed on your TV screen. Now, take your smartphone or computer and go to the Sling TV activation. Log in to your Sling TV account if prompted. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen into the designated field on the website. Click the Submit button to activate your Sling TV account. You should see a confirmation message on the website once your activation is successful. Return to your TV, where the Sling TV app will refresh automatically. You can now start streaming your favorite content on Sling TV. Enjoy exploring the channels and shows available with your subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.